Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube country. Just you need to go to YouTube and log in your account, and then you click in your profile icon. You see here location Vietnam. I'm right now in Vietnam, and if I click the trending, it will show the trending in Vietnam. Now if I want to change the location, just I click here, location Vietnam, just click here and then choose the country. For example, if I choose Canada, and now it show me the trending in Canada. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. And if you have any question, any idea, any suggestion, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.